best 4 women of all time in dunya, and the top 4 women of Jannah are Khadijah bint Khuwaylid, number 1. Fatimah bint Muhammad sallallahu. She's number 2, Fatima, the daughter of Rasulullah. Asiyah, the wife of Pharaoh. And Maryam, the mother of Isa alayhi salam. So Khadijah radiallahu anha is one of the top 4 women of Jannah. How did she make it there? And you look at the example of Khadijah radiallahu anha, it's very interesting. Did she pray 5 times a day to deserve this honor to be the top woman in Jannah? Did she pray 5 times a day? No, she didn't. Because the order to pray 5 times a day came, Isra and Mi'raj, she passed away before. So there was no 5 daily namaz or 5 daily prayers at her time. They used to pray 2 rak'ahs here and there, nafl, but not 5 times a day. Did she fast in Ramadan like we do? Did she observe Laylatul Qadr? Nothing. She passed away before Hijrah, Ramadan, Laylatul Qadr, everything became fard 2nd year after Hijrah. Did she do Hajj with Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? No, he did Hajj like 13, 14 years after she passed away. Did she make Hijrah with Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam to Medina? She didn't. Did Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam even pray Salatul Janazah for her? No, because there was no Salatul Janazah at her time. Why did she make it to the top of Jannah even though she didn't pray 5 times a day, no Ramadan, no Hajj, no Hijrah, no Salatul Janazah, nothing? For her sincerity and dedication with Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You can get the same reward. Yes, you pray, you fast, you do all of these things, but you can be dedicated to the message of Rasulullah, and you can be sincere with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in what you do. And inshallah, following the example of Khadijah radiallahu anha, this will raise your rank in Jannah.